Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. My name is Sanjay. Today I'll inform you a very important topic. The name is the form of verb go in present tense. So the form of verb go in present indefinite tense: form, subject plus verb, first form of the verb plus object. So here I have mentioned that how to write a present indefinite tense. So in order to write a present indefinite tense, we need a subject plus a verb. The form of verb should be present tense, means first form plus object. Then we can write the present indefinite tense, right? So let's see a table so that we can understand it very clearly. So here I have made the table, the number, the arrow marks indicating number, singular number and plural number, and this arrow mark downwards showing the person, first person, second person and third person. Here if I say the first person in the singular number in present indefinite tense, I go to school, right? So I is the subject of this sentence, go is the first form of this verb in present tense, school is the object of this sentence. So it means I go to school. So if I see the first person plural, instead of I have changed to we. So we go to school. Here we is the subject and go is the verb, it is first form of this verb, and school is the object. So we go to school. As well as if I say second person, in the second person present indefinite tense, singular number, you go to school. Here you is the subject and go is the verb, school is the object. As well as in the plural number also, you subject, go verb, first form of this verb, and school is the object. And at last we can see here the third form, means third person in present indefinite tense in singular number, he, she, it goes to school. Here we can see some difference. This go is aids with yes, right? So what happened, we can see there is a rule: if the subject is third person singular, the main verb adds yes or yes, right? So here we have add yes with main verb, so it comes goes, and school is object. So he, she or it always third person singular. So that's why here we have written goes and school is object. So as last we can see here they go to school, it is plural number of present indefinite tense in third person, right? He, she, it. Instead of this singular form, if we use the plural, then it makes they. Here they is the subject and go is the first form of verb and means present tense, and school is the object. So we can say they go to school. So from here we can see this is the formation of present indefinite tense: subject plus verb plus object, right? So one thing is very important, that if the subject of any sentence is present indefinite third person singular, right, then main verbs either adds yes or yes, right? It is very important rule, we should always remember this. So it is very easy. Already I have mentioned that we should just need three things: subject, verb and object in order to write this present indefinite tense. And here it is subject, I is subject, and go is verb. It is reporting verb, we can say it main verb, and school is object. So I hope you understood this lesson, and it is very important lesson for beginner who is going to start learn English or tenses. They should remember this table, and it will very helpful for them to learn the English language. So thank you very much. With best wishes, have a lovely day. Thank you.